Pakulo tayo ng spaghetti pasta. Okay guys, mag-fry tayo ng bacon para pang toppings later. Hindi puro spaghetti ang linuluto natin. You'll see later. Okay? And then guys, alisin natin yung yellow yolk. This is itlog na maalat. So, separate natin yung white. Okay guys, mag-isa lang tayo ng butter and sibuyas. And then, bawang. Okay, we're here. And then guys, lagay na natin yung salted egg natin, yung yellow yolk. Mix it well. I'm making salted pasta for today's recipe. May iba na natin yung spaghetti sauce. Hindi puro spaghetti ang linuluto natin. Try nyo to. This is good. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then chili flakes. Okay, chili flakes, and then mix it well. Tapos, lagyan natin ng all-purpose cream. The whole thing. Then, lagyan natin ng konting tubig. And then, liquid seasoning. Mix it well. Lagyan natin ng konting ground pork. Pakuluin natin ng maigi kasi para hindi papanis yung pasta. Then guys, lagyan na natin yung pasta. There you go. Salted egg pasta to. With meat. Ito, more. For Hayden. And let's put cheese on top. and bacon. Okay, this is my final result. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.